That is late submission of financial statement. This is a compliance issue, but proceed and read out the query.
Thank you, Chair. Late submission of the financial statement. The financial statement for the Kisii municipality for the year ended 30th June 2022 was submitted for audit on 19th October 2023, contrary to Section 47(1) of the Public Audit Act 2015, which requires a financial statement for the financial year ended 30th June 2023 to be submitted to the Auditor General by 30th September. And management did not provide an explanation for the late submission.
Governor, your management response.
Chairman, the management concur with the auditor's observation on late submission of financial statement for the financial year 2021-2022. Subsequently, management has complied, Mr. Chairman. There is an extract there of submitted financial statement for the financial year 2022-2023 to show that we are complied.
Auditor, your comments.
The management concurred with observation on the late submission of the financial statement for the year ended 2021-2022. However, the extra financial statement 2022-23 was not provided, but I think currently now it's provided. When we are doing the verification, it has not been provided. But we can see now the document has already been provided to us.
Senator Onyonka.
The OAG, I go back to the same question I asked you earlier. And Chair, I'm really struggling with the recommendation or with the observations that OAG makes. Why don't you want to pronounce yourself how you cure this problem? Because it's not only appearing in Kisii, it's the whole Republic, isn't it? And then on top of that, I don't know that you observed that this was the period of transition. I don't know, Chair, you see my point.
Yes.
What can we do to make sure that the process continues even when the politics is going on and transition is taking place? I have seen that in so many other counties. What would you want us to do? Because our job is to legislate and oversight.
Chair.
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 Yes.
Chair, you know, I think the legal counsel needs to read for us the relevant section when you do late submissions. Secondly, Chair, Governor, I think your accountants are very lazy. If you check the responses, they are standard. It starts with I concur. And they don't give further reason. There is no flesh in those statements. So, I mean, this is being lazy. I mean, you're a serious governor and deputy party leader. I mean,
Chair, just before the legal goes, you know, Governor, we had the auditor here, and we had 3 hours with the Auditor General because we are having a lot of documents to look at and a lot of county entities to audit, to the extent that we really actually want to catch up with time and be able to do as many as possible so that we can be able to get to the current books of the current governors. Now, the problem we are having is this issue of late submission. You know, when Senator Kisang says your officers have said I concur, he's basically going to the law, to the court and saying I am guilty. And Governor, I think that probably you're going to be the first county that is going to be punished with this, your officers. Because this idea that what the law calls accounting officers constantly putting their governors in a very bad light of not doing their work must stop in counties. It must. And I think that the accounting officer, before we read the punishment, I want you to read for us PFM section 149. What is the title of that section of the law? Can you give the officer? First of all, read the title, because I'm getting irritated and tired of officers who don't do their work, and then because governors cannot run the entire county, you have got what the PFM Act clearly calls accounting officers, and they must do their job.